Since this past week, Koffee name been hot on the press, and it's because of this American pastor that claimed that she have some prophecy for Koffee, right? It seems as if Koffee been ignoring the situation, but then today it seems like she sent a direct message to that lady. So coming up, I will tell you exactly what Koffee did. But before that, I want to talk about Shenseea and the person who is responsible for all of those pretty pics that you see on Shenseea Instagram. Yes, the person who took all of those pics for Shenseea. So I'm going to show you some of the photographs that I'm talking about. This professional took this photograph that we're looking at right now. And this next one that we're looking at was taken by the same photographer. And this one also, and this one also. Now today, Shenseea uploaded a behind-the-scene video of her working with her photographer. So I have that for you right here. So I'm going to show it to you right now.
Say cheese. Say like this.
Like this?
No.
How? Can I do this?
No, like this.
Okay, ready? Cheese.
No, no.
I don't want that pose. Just take it like this first.
Say cheese.
Yeah, cheese.
Then
Ready?
say nice and now.
Cheese.
Say nice and now.
Nice
Nice
and
and
now.
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 Get. Yeah. You like it?
What?
You like it?
Let me see it. I have to see it. It's so nice. Thank you.
I miss your grandma.
Shenseea uploaded the video with the following caption. Can you believe my 3-year-old son is now taking my pictures? I'm gonna need a whole new kid. He's getting way too big. Slow down. At Rajero. Right? So, big up Raj. You don't know Raja Shenseea photographer. I never know that. Yeah, me love the way how Shenseea raised her son. I always see her on the Instagram. He even have him own Instagram. So she tag him at Rajero_Lee. So if you don't want to follow Raj on Instagram, you can go follow Raj. He have him own page, right? But yeah, I always see man Shenseea, you know what I mean? I'm always in the camera shy. I'm always there on the camera. And in the run Ramesh, I'm always there on camera and things. So the youth are star in my own right. You see what I say? Oh no, a couple of years from now, Raj go down and lock the place. You see me I say? From an early age too. So big up Shenseea and big up our son. Now let's talk about Koffee. She made a post on her Instagram story talking about false prophet. The other day she made a post after she deleted everything. And that one was just a general one to me, but today this one is talking about false prophet. It seems like a direct message to that lady. So, Koffee posts this and it says, Zechariah 13 verses 2-3, International Version. And that day I will banish the names of the idols from the land, and they will be remembered no more, declare the Lord Almighty. I will remove both the prophets and the spirit of impurity from the land. And if anyone still prophesies, their father and mother to whom they were born shall say to them, you must die because you told lies in the Lord's name. Then their own parents will stab the one who prophesies. Now, tell me, people, tell me if me a pre-wrong or if this sound like Koffee attack to that lady, right? Because it's a Bible verse, yes, but it speak directly about prophets and false prophets. I think Koffee just want her to know, say, Koffee know the Bible as well, and you can't take me for fool. You see what I say? So, more blessings have to go up for Koffee every time. You see what I say? Now, I want to get in the comment section and give me no opinion on this. Tell me what you feel like. Tell me what you think, say, Koffee attack to her, Koffee not attack to her. I know say the last video where we make, it's like crazy discussion. Some people say the word of the prophet. Some people say she should go. You see what I say? So this video, let me hear what I say. What I say about what Koffee say. And if you haven't liked and follow the page, please like and follow the page for daily updates. Thank you.